Hey everybody, I'm Dave, and I'm going to show you how I make a delicious steak right outside my fifth wheel camper. Check it out. So I like to use this Blackstone right here. It's all digital. You just kind of dial in the temp right there. It's got a non-stick top to it, glass top so you can see through what you're cooking. And it's got a little grease trap on the back. It's perfect for cooking steak at a campground. This is what we're going to be cooking today. This thing, I got it from Rouse's. It's dry aged, so they age their steak, I think like 27 days. Don't exactly know what that does to it, but I know it makes it taste delightful. I don't do a whole lot to my steaks. The only thing I do is salt them before I cook them. I like to use Himalayan sea salt. Makes it nice. Do the backside here. It's a pretty good cut of meat. It's real super thick. This Blackstone's up to temp when this little orange light comes on. It's ready to cook. Go ahead and shut that up for just a couple of minutes and I'm gonna flip it. I like to sear my steak on both sides, right off tops, just to keep it from sticking to the grill. All right, now that it's seared on both sides, I'm gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes and I'm gonna flip it and do the 5 minutes on the other side. 5 minutes is up. Flip this sucker over. Let that cook for another 5 on that side. All right, let's see where we're at here on the steak. So in my opinion, this is the only way to cook a steak, is to use one of these thermometer gauges. Where we're at, 102, we're not nearly done yet. Got about maybe 7 or 8 more minutes still to cook. I love cooking steaks in my camp, right outside of my camper. And this Blackstone electric grill is fantastic. I don't like to deal with the messy charcoal and smoking and all that kind of jazz. When I want a steak, I just want to throw it on the grill, cook it real quick and eat it. I ain't got a lot of time to mess around. Fun fact about myself is I was actually a vegetarian for 2 years. So I've only been eating steaks again for about a year or so, I guess. Being vegetarian was a pretty unique experience. But I miss cooking steaks, so that's what we're doing today. All right, I think we're about done now. Steak's supposed to be 145. It's pretty easy to clean the grill. I just put a little water on it. Let it bubble up. And kind of spatula it away.